Good. So yummy. I can't just grate mozzarella cheese and not have a taste. It's Sunday. And I decided I want to make a homemade pizza with regular dough. So, let me show you the stuff. Let me show you the stuff that I'm going to put on this pizza. Like, you would not believe all the stuff. Like, listen. So, I got this chicken from a party that I went to, a graduation party last night. Shout out to Numpty. Hey, Numpty. Congratulations again, girl. So, I have this chicken, and it's this Mexican well-seasoned chicken leftovers that I said, you know what? I'm gonna like shred this up with my fingers, and this is gonna go on the pizza to give it some extra flavor. And you know, I don't eat a lot of chicken. I barely eat meat. But I am pulling out the works for this, okay? Because I am craving pizza. And when I am craving pizza, I want to go in. Like, I don't do this all the time. So when I do it, it better be worth it. So I have the chicken. I have some chopped up spinach. I have some extra blended Italian cheese here just to make the flavors pop even more and give it a variety, you know, add some variety of cheeses. I have sun-dried tomatoes. I have some sliced green pepper. I have some onions that I was slicing that I actually didn't finish up. Let me slice up a few more. I have, some tomatoes, right? And I just made them round because I just want to kind of plop them on there. And I think it'll look pretty, like seeing the round shape. I always like that. And I'm gonna cut up some garlic, right? Oh guys, I'm using Rayo's roasted garlic sauce as my pizza sauce. Because I really believe that traditionally, yes, Italians like to use pizza sauce, right, specifically. But I found in the past that when I make pizza at home, a really great sauce, like regular, pasta sauce, will do the job too. So that's why I decided to use Rayo's. Rayo's is like exceptional. I love the taste. It always tastes so fresh to me. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil on top with a little bit of salt and pepper. And yes, so I have my mozzarella cheese with me that I grated up. So I am good to go. I've never done this before. So you're gonna do this with me? Actually, I did it maybe once or twice in the past, but I'm a better cook now, so I feel like I'm gonna be learning even more as I do this, and I'm more interested in doing it the right way, right? I used to always get help when I did this. Actually, I wasn't always the one who rolled the dough. So I get to do this for you guys today. So let's get started. Are you ready? Because I'm ready.
So.
Get it, baby, get it. Do your thing, boo. Do what you do, boo-boo.
Cheerleader?
I'm your cheerleader?
Yeah, you're a cheerleader,
J-I-M-M-Y. Rolling that dough to the sky.
Okay, ridiculous.
That was corny. You said cheerleader, so.
Okay.
That's looking good. It's coming along. It's coming along.
That's all right. We need some more
flour.
Okay.
Okay.
This is what I'll do.
But baby, that dough is thick. Oh, yeah. That's good.
Right.
Are we gonna have enough?
What do you mean?
Is this big enough?
I think it should be because it's gonna like
rise. Do we need to extend it out so that it's like longer? Okay.
I think we should do that. So right now we are on
go. Nice. Nice, babe.
Huh?
Nice.
How is that?
It's
Think
looking it's looking longer.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it. I like that it's getting long.
No, it's getting thicker.
Mm-hmm.
Down there.
Mmm. So we'll probably just like smoothen out the shape, like make it more square.
Uh-huh.
Cut it.
Yeah, like make.
Yes, we could do that. Let me get you a knife.
Okay. You're gonna be very disappointed
Why?
when that thing is done because you think that we did well.
I think we're gonna do. I think it's gonna come out so good. Wait, where did you learn to pinch the sides like that? Let me find out. You're a chef on the low. You've got secrets.
No, I don't.
Chef
Alright,
secrets.
where's the pen? We're gonna put. Wait.
Oh, the cookie pan? So I'm just like creating these little, bringing the corners up on this dough to kind of secure the sauce in a way, hold things in. And I think it looks better this way. Listen, this is like my first time doing this with a roller. So I did get a little help. But you know, I'm kind of improvising at the same time. And what does this look like? This looks like a boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is just a dough dream. Look at that. Wait. As usual. Oh my God, I just kept thinking about this pizza. Jesus. This is going to be so good. Maybe I should make this a square too? Whichever way. Okay. It's an uneven square, but it's a square nonetheless, right? Okay.
Because when I see these guys that do it, they put a lot.
You want a little spice on yours? I have a pepper sauce in the fridge.
Pepper?
Remember my mom's pepper sauce?
Oh no. Which one is that?
What kind of pepper? I'm not sure, you know.
Oh.
I think you've had it before. You've had it.
The one I had then it didn't do anything to me?
It didn't. Why, you want spice?
No.
Oh, then we don't have to.
Okay. And that thing smells good.
Right?
I did the put in it.
This is something that's fun. I put all the condiments. Baby, are you too close to my face? You don't want to be too close.
No.
So guys, I put all the condiments on the dough. And let me tell you, this is like freaking amazing. Let me show you. Let me hold it up for you. This deserves an introduction, right? So we have here the chicken topping with that seasoned Mexican chicken from my friend's graduation party last night that I brought home as leftovers. Oh, and I have the 3 blend cheese from Whole Foods, Italian cheese blend. It has Asiago cheese and Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese on my pizza. You know, so it gives it variety. So I added that along with the mozzarella. You have your green pepper here, your sun-dried tomatoes, onions, and the chicken at the very top. And then on this one, this is like completely veggie. Have your sliced tomatoes, my rounded tomatoes with some spinach, some sliced up spinach, some chopped up spinach, and onions as well, and green pepper is down up in there. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on top and add a little bit of black pepper. Okay, and these 2 bad girls are going in the oven. I was gonna say this bad girl, but there's 2. Well, maybe a bad girl and a bad boy. Wherever you are, come out and play. Ugh, the garlic's hiding, it's okay. They're like, we're on vacation. We're about to go in the oven. Leave us alone. Oh, so here's the garlic. I had sliced up some garlic. And I actually put them in both. The garlic is in both. And I'm going to, look at that. Just a little sprinkle of black pepper. I love black pepper on almost everything. And, oh, let's put a little olive oil. This is gonna be fabulous, okay? Don't say I didn't tell you. If you do this at home, do not say I didn't tell you. And the roller that I use for the dough was just like 13 bucks. I got it from Marshall's in the cooking appliance section. And I feel like I'm gonna have it for a really, really long time. I wanted to get it nice and big so that it lasts as well. And I don't know, I feel like the bigger it was, the better. Like I was really doing something if the roller was big. So it's psychological. But that roller came in handy. Like it was really kind of hard to like smoothen out the dough and everything. So the bigger one actually served more of a purpose in that case. All right, so this is ready. I'm so proud. Like I did that. We did that. We did a great job. Thank you for your help.
Yeah.
This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this veggie pizza. Let's take a look at the chicken for you meat eaters out there. See, I'm all about variety. I'm all about catering to all of you. Oh, my cord. Let me get my cord out of the way. Isn't that beauty? Listen, if you like this video, don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. I love when you check out my stuff. I appreciate you. Now I'm tasting it. That second bite. That second bite was everything. Let me just take another bite just to make sure. That was crunchy. Nice and crunchy on the bottom. Put some olive oil on the pan before I put it in the oven. Get it nice and crunchy. This just tastes so healthy. The dough is gluten-free from Trader Joe's. I just tasted the veggie one. Very, very good. You could taste like the garlic. Everything just blends in so nicely. And that sauce that I use, that regular marinara sauce, Italian sauce, it wasn't a specific cheap pizza sauce. It worked perfectly. This tastes really, really good. I'm gonna try the chicken. Did I say I'm a pescatarian? But after this chicken pizza, I changed my mind. I am back to eating meat. This is very, very good. I am so proud of my efforts in the kitchen. This came out exactly how I wanted it to come out. And if you try this at home, please let me know how it goes. I hope you enjoy it just as much as I'm enjoying it. My mouth is happy. My belly's happy. Babe, you're happy? Say yeah.
Yeah.